Hi all, my name is Deja. I'm here at AFRICON. Woo, 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 woo.
What's going on? It's your boy Dope Zulu, and we at AFRICON. Overall, the experience is really dope.
Hi, my name is Princess Limba, and we are here at AFRICON. It has been an amazing experience to see my people like literally rising up from tech to entertainment to banking. It's just been phenomenal.
Hi, my name is Diddy Emma. I'm Naija to the bone, okay? And we are here at AFRICON. If you did not make it this year, you missed out.
Hello, I'm at AFRICON 2025, and it's great to be here and able to network with different professionals. It just shows how great the diaspora in Africa has really evolved.
Hello everyone, my name is Vanessa Obeng, former Miss Ghana USA and recently crowned Miss Oregana. This was my first AFRICON and it was an amazing time. From networking to walking around the marketplace, shopping Black-owned, African-owned brands, designers, you name it. It's such an amazing experience and I implore you all to come out and check the next one.